Welcome to this gamblingsites.org how-to video. Today we'll be providing you with our Blackjack for Beginners guide with some very basic tips and advice for new players. If you've played blackjack before and have a decent understanding as to how the game works, you can probably move on to the intermediate section. However, never hurts to get a little refresher. You are here to learn after all. Let's start with the cards themselves. Blackjack uses a traditional deck of 52 cards, or multiple 52-card decks. We'll discuss that a little bit later. The cards are split into 4 suits: clubs, diamonds, hearts, and spades, though the suit doesn't matter for blackjack. Each suit has a set of number cards ranging from 2 to 10, 3 face cards, the jack, queen, and king, and an ace. Each card has its own point value. Numbered cards, the point value is the same as the number on the card. Meanwhile, all of the face cards are worth 10 points apiece, and the ace can be worth 1 point or 11 points, depending on which makes the better hand. An ace can change in value within the same hand. It adjusts as needed to create the best hand at any given moment. Every hand in blackjack begins with 2 cards. To know your score, just add up the value of the cards in your hand. Your goal is to get to 21, or at least to have the higher total between your hand and the dealer's hand. The hands of any other players around you doesn't impact whether you win or lose. It's just you against the dealer. As a player, you only have 5 choices for how to act on your hand. You can hit and take another card. You can stand and stick with your current total. If your 2 initial cards are the same, like 2 8s, you can split them into 2 separate hands. This would require you to double your current wager, basically placing a full bet on each hand that you play. You can also double down, which means you'll double your current wager and take only 1 extra card to add to your hand. Some casinos allow you to do this with any 2 cards, though others only allow you to double if you have a total of 9, 10, or 11. Finally, you can surrender, where you forfeit your chance to win the bet by giving up half of your wager and getting the other half back. When you're playing, anytime that you reach a score of 22 or above, you've lost the hand. If you're at 21 or below and choose to stand, the dealer will take their turn. Unlike you, the dealer cannot make decisions based on the odds or the situation. The dealer's hand follows a predetermined set of rules to dictate how it plays out. The dealer will hit if their hand is at 16 or below, or, in most cases, if it's a soft 17. Soft 17 meaning a hand that features an ace acting as an 11. Once the dealer has a hard 17 or above, their turn ends. If the dealer reaches 22 and busts, and you did not bust, you win. The dealer stands with 21 or below, then the scores are compared head to head. If the dealer has a higher total, you lose. If you have the higher total, you win. If the totals are identical, it's called a push, and you tie. One of the best things about blackjack is that your decisions matter. There's a mathematically correct decision for every situation. Even if you don't know all of the ins and outs of strategy, you can still reduce the house's advantage over you significantly just by playing intelligently. We have plenty of additional videos and articles for you to make sure that you are the best blackjack player that you can be, including more within the Blackjack for Beginners section. So make sure to check out gamblingsites.org for even more on the game.